Today I opened the skin case, the summer skin case for the summer fun grind. I had to do a lot of games for this. So let's go to the backpack, view the skin case. So the legendaries are crab claws. Probably pocket volcano is what I would like to get because I like to play with the flares. And hazard sign. I like the hazard sign for the trip mine. The campfire sniper. I don't know. I thought there was a kraken sniper in this skin case, but there is no kraken. There is no kraken sniper. Maybe it's in another skin case. I don't know. Maybe they removed it. So we open it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's open it.
I think they only let you get it if you buy a.
Oh, I got starfish.
I think they didn't put it in the skin case because they wanted to make it in the bundle.
Ah, maybe it's in the bundle.
Let's take all the bundle.
Maybe it's in the bundle. Okay. Okay. No. Wait a second. So I need to go to the weapons, and I don't even have that. I have daggers.
Yeah.
Okay, skin. I make the starfish.
Okay.
Let's see how it looks like. I don't know if it's really worth it to do this, but okay. You still play the game, so it's not like, yeah. Pretty much that's it. The skin case, summer fun. Got a free daggers skin. I don't even use the daggers.
No, you don't even use them.
Yeah, I don't use them. Okay, so let's see in the bundles then.
To two bundles.
Okay, so there is energy bundle, heavy duty bundle,
and then let's go there and click now on the energy pistols.
No, the kraken sniper.
Now we'll go over there.
Skins.
Oh yeah, over there, see?
There's a pirate bundle.
Oh my god.
Whoa, this is the kraken sniper skin.
It gives you also a lap. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
This is the best bundle.
Pirate bundle has this hook.
Yeah.
Okay. Just, I don't know, I was confused. I thought this is in the summer skin cases. So it's in the bundle, it's even better.
Wrap. Should we take the wrap?
Okay, wrap.
Oh, yo.
It's a ghost. This one is nice.
This is so cool.
Found a tomato.
Wait.
Digging.
This video is funny.
Yeah, you can see it. Okay, so it's cheaper also. Okay. So yeah, I was a bit confused about the kraken sniper.
Yeah.
Was it worth it to grind for the starfish? Probably no.
Yeah, probably no.
Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope this was some kind of interesting for you.
Yeah.
Bye.
That was too funny because we got
just starfish.
I thought we were gonna get the best skin.
Yeah, the campfire sniper is actually pretty nice.
To win?
Yeah, okay. Bye.